blizzard of 2013.
And we are here, recording live. We're walking towards 13th and Galapagos. And it's pretty severe. And look, it looks like they cleaned the bridge, but it's back again. Like, you can tell that it's good temperature. You want to put my hood on? Do you lift the hood up? Do you have a hood?
Yes, yes.
Cookie, look. Which way do you think? This way? Did you get the cover or not?
Yeah, because it was actually snowing over here.
Right? They haven't cleaned the road yet, have they?
Well, they don't usually even attempt till it stops snowing, right?
Because this is a pretty traveled course, right? Spear is pretty popular. It's so bright, huh?
Can't even tell where the damn sidewalks turn into.
You can see all the slush, but it has not stopped snowing. And there seems to be traffic. People are out and about.
Yeah, especially for it snowing and being a Sunday.
Yeah, because it's the sidewalks are pretty bad. Just getting on them with the production. So if you go out, be careful. We're only going out because it's a necessity.
And we haven't built a snowman.
I know, right? He's like, yay, there's a roof. As you can tell, it's white and it doesn't seem to be wanting to stop.
Has been going on since about 8:30 last night.
Since last night?
Non-stop.
And right now it's what, about 12?
Yeah, about closer to 1, I think.